What's up guys, I'm Ray, this is Informed Shopper, and today I have the Naipo Cordless Handheld Percussion Massager. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's the box that it comes in. A pretty simple box, it doesn't even list the features or anything. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box to see what it does. Okay, so upon taking it out the box, what we have is the massager, 2 attachments, 1 and 2, a stand, the charger, and a manual. Quick correction, by the way, actually there's 3 different attachments because there was 1 already on here, so there's 1, 2, and 3 attachments. So I'm not sure if you have to charge this up. Let's go ahead and press the power button and see if it already comes charged. Yep, already charged. Here you have your mode selector to select different modes. This is to increase the speed, this is to lower the speed, and this is to turn it on and off. Let's go ahead and turn it on again. Lowest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 different levels of speed. As far as the attachments go, they are easy to replace. You just simply unscrew them and screw the one you want on. There you have it. This is how the station looks when it's set up, when everything's in place, and to charge you just simply plug in your power cord right here. The estimated charging time for this massager is 2.5 hours, and the time of use that you should get out of it when fully charged is 1.5 hours. Now, one of the biggest benefits to this massager opposed to other handheld massagers is that this one's cordless. So you can pretty much get anywhere without the cord being in your way. That's a huge benefit right there. And it's very strong, very powerful. Personally, I like it a lot. The fact that it's not heavy helps out a lot too. So overall, this is a great product. I think it's a must-have. The cordless feature, you can't beat that. And the fact that it's not that heavy. I know I'm repeating myself, but I like this thing a lot. This is a great tool that everyone should have in their household. And also, the company Naipo is giving me a $7 off coupon. I'll put it right here below. You just look, it should be right here in some type of text. Also put it in the description as well. So if you purchase this thing through the Amazon link, there'll be a $7 off coupon. Make sure you use that. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Until next time, that's been a look at the Naipo Cordless Handheld Massager, and you guys have been informed.